The African Savanna, a landscape sculpted by sun and time. It is a stage for some of nature's most dramatic stories. Here, life is a constant negotiation between predator and prey, a contest of speed, strength, and survival. And in this ancient arena, one creature has been misunderstood for centuries. It is an animal often cast as a villain, a scavenger lurking in the shadows. But this view misses the real story. It misses the incredible physical engineering that makes this animal so successful. We are talking, of course, about the hyena. Look closer. Watch as this spotted hyena moves across the plains. There is a peculiar grace to its loping gait, a rhythm that speaks of incredible endurance. Its powerful shoulders slope down to shorter hind legs, giving it a unique silhouette against the horizon. This is not some awkward design. It is a masterclass in biomechanics, a body built for long-distance pursuits, capable of wearing down even the fastest prey. Every part of this animal, from its powerful neck to the tips of its bone-crushing jaws, is a solution to a difficult physical problem. A problem of how to thrive in a world of constant competition. For too long, we have seen the hyena through a lens of folklore and fear. We have called it a coward, a thief, a creature of the night. But what if we looked at it through a different lens? What if we saw it as an engineer, a physicist, a living machine, perfectly adapted to its environment? What physical tricks allow this animal to run for miles without tiring? How can its jaws generate enough force to shatter the strongest bones? And what secrets are hidden within its very skeleton that allow it to survive where so many others would fail? To understand the hyena is to understand the fundamental laws of nature. It is to see physics in motion, the forces of leverage in its bite, the principles of energy efficiency in its stride, the structural integrity of its bones. This is the story we rarely get to see, not the myth, but the mathematics, not the caricature, but the complex, calculated reality. Join us as we strip away the old stories and reveal the hidden science behind one of nature's most remarkable and resilient survivors. The hyena is not just an animal, it is a marvel of natural engineering. This film is a promise to show you the hyena as you have never seen it before. We will go beyond the surface, peeling back the layers to reveal the inner workings of this incredible creature. Our journey will take us into the very architecture of its body. We will examine the bones that form its powerful frame. We will map the muscles that drive its relentless motion. We are setting out to answer a simple yet profound question. What are the physical secrets to the hyena's success? Answering it will require more than just observation. It will require a new way of seeing. We will not just watch these animals. We will measure them. We will use the tools of science to decode their abilities. Our investigation will be supported by a wealth of documents and archival materials, some of them centuries old. Split-screen vintage hyena skeleton illustration and modern 3D CT scan of a hyena skull. These records show how our understanding of the hyena has evolved. We will also use the power of mathematics and physics to quantify their incredible feats. We will calculate the forces at play when a hyena runs, and the immense pressure it exerts when it bites. This is a story told not just in pictures, but in numbers. Prepare for a visual spectacle. We will use the latest imaging technology to make the invisible visible. Slow-motion footage will break down their unique running gait, revealing how their tendons store and release energy like powerful springs. Detailed animations will take us inside the skull, showing how stress is distributed as the jaws clamp down with astonishing force. We will bring this hidden world to life with a fluent and exciting narrative, making complex science clear and compelling. We want you to see the physics behind the phantom of the plains. Our promise is to deliver a journey of discovery. We will explore how different species, from the spotted to the striped hyena, have developed unique physical solutions to the challenges they face. We will witness their social strategies, which are themselves a form of physical solution to the problem of finding and defending food. This is a quest to understand the hyena not as a monster or a myth, but as a master of its physical world. A creature whose every feature is a testament to the power of evolution and the laws of physics. To truly understand the mechanics of the hyena, we will conduct our own experiments, field team prepping gear, and tranquilizer-free handling scenes. We will work alongside leading biomechanics experts. We will work alongside veterinarians in the field. They will help us gather the data needed to unlock the hyena's secrets. Our team will use state-of-the-art equipment, measure stride length, measure running speed. We will analyze their movements on custom-built apparatus, capture precise motion data on treadmills and outdoor rigs, revealing how they manage to be sprinters, revealing how they manage to be marathon runners. This is science in action, bringing the laboratory into the wild. We will also journey into the archives, uncover historical scientific notes, find early film footage, old anatomical drawings and lab notebooks showing researchers puzzling over the hyena. We will see the first bite force measurements. We will see early theories about the sloping back, comparing historical records with modern findings, a timeline montage showing decades of research. It is a detective story spanning decades, piecing together clues. Our tone will be curiosity and clarity. We are not here to judge, but to understand. Simple language and clear visuals, infographics and animations, making the physics of the hyena accessible to everyone. Feel the thrill of discovery as each adaptation is revealed. Join us in the hunt for answers. Look with fresh eyes. This journey is about universal principles across life. Studying the hyena teaches trade-offs in evolutionary design. Form dictates function. Elegant and sometimes brutal examples. Look past the grin and the cackle. See the world through the eyes of a physicist studying a perfected predator. The secrets of the hyena are waiting to be told. The hunt for answers begins now. To understand the hyena, we must start with its foundation, the skeleton. This is the architectural blueprint that dictates everything the animal can do. It is a framework of bone, sculpted by millions of years of evolution, to be both strong and efficient. When we look at a hyena's skeleton, we are not just seeing a collection of bones. We are seeing a story of survival, written in calcium and phosphate. Every curve, every joint, every proportion. It is a structure designed to withstand the immense stresses of a life lived on the edge. A life of powerful pursuits and bone-shattering feasts. Let's examine the bones more closely. They are remarkably dense and robust, especially in the forelimbs, especially in the skull. This density is no accident. It provides the structural integrity needed to absorb the repeated impacts of long-distance running. It also provides the strength required for their powerful bite, preventing the skull from fracturing under the incredible pressure. The long bones of the legs are not just simple pillars, they are engineered with subtle curves and thicknesses that distribute forces evenly, minimizing the risk of breaks. This is a skeleton built not for delicate movements, but for raw, relentless power and durability. The spine is another critical component of this design. It is less flexible than that of a cheetah, which is built for explosive sprints. The hyena's spine is stiffer, providing more stability. This rigidity helps to transfer power from the massive shoulder muscles to the legs with minimal energy loss. It acts like a rigid chassis, connecting the powerful front end to the driving rear. This design choice highlights a fundamental trade-off in nature, sacrificing some agility, sacrificing top-end speed for the sake of stamina and strength. The hyena's spine is the backbone of an endurance athlete, not a sprinter. Finally, consider the joints. The connections between the bones are just as important as the bones themselves. The shoulder joint, for instance, is nestled deep within a powerful sling of muscles, allowing for a huge range of motion in the foreleg. This gives the hyena its long, efficient stride. The joints in the legs are robust, protected by thick cartilage that cushions the blows of every footfall. Every element of this skeletal framework, from the largest bone to the smallest articulating surface, has been optimized for a single goal: to create a machine that can outlast, outmuscle, and ultimately overcome its prey and its rivals.